Hello, welcome to 4 Point Breakfast, and today we have this menu, which is a tortilla wrapped with cheese in the middle, some veggies, and some ricotta cheese on the bottom. And I believe there's some eggs too. I'll be trying this out. This has been a special recipe that I have saw on the web and wanted to try it out. So today I'll be testing the flavor, testing how it is, and telling you guys if I recommend this or not. Here we go. So first what I noticed is that it's really hard on the outside. It's really crunchy. And it goes really well with the soft cheese. So I'm gonna try it out. It's really good. I think it's a mixture of not just yellow cheese, but it's also a bit of ricotta cheese. It goes really well with the peppers. This is oven baked, so it's not fried or anything. And also there's 2 layers of tortillas, which I think is really good because I feel like one will break really easily if there's all this thing in the middle. So definitely recommend 2 instead of 1. And I'll be linking the menu and recipe to this in the comments below. I think this is a great way to start off your day because it has a lot of protein, it has veggies, it has cheese, it has tortillas, it has eggs. And it's just really good. I usually like to eat this with like juice, but I don't have juice with me right now, so I'm gonna eat it with, I'm just gonna eat it with water. But overall, it's just really good. I like the peppers. You can change it up to your style. Instead of just adding peppers, you could add maybe broccoli. You can add tomatoes, which I've tried, or spinach. It's really good. It's kind of like a morning pizza, basically. But it's really good. It's really hot, so I recommend leaving it out for a little while. But this has been our breakfast menu for day 1. Stay tuned for other unique recipes for the morning. And thank you so much for tuning in to 4 Point Breakfast. See you in the next one. Thank you, and always 4 Point.